Hello viewers, you're welcome to my page. Today we are asked to find the integration of x over 2 minus x all raised to the power of 3 with respect to x dx. So in this case I will use substitution, t substitution. That is, I will let my t to be equal to a certain ambiguous function, and if you look at this function can be ambiguous, so therefore I will say let my t be equal to 2 minus x. If my t is equal to 2 minus x, then let me obtain the t dx. The t dx, differentiate 2 as a constant, give us 0, and differentiate minus x with respect to x, give us -1. So but remember, if t is equal to 2 minus x, we represent t to be 2 minus x, then our x will be equal to 2 minus t. From here, by making x the subject of formula, we can get our x to be equal to 2 minus t. So, and our dx, dt is equal to -1. Therefore, our dt will definitely be equal to negative dx. These are dt is equal to negative dx. So, anywhere we see dt, we can put negative dx, and likewise, we have anything where we see dx, we can give negative dt. So let's substitute everything here back to our function, that is integration. Don't forget our x is now 2 minus t, so put 2 minus t at the numerator. Then at the denominator, our denominator is now ordinary t, but don't forget it's raised to the power of 3. Now our dx now, don't forget our dx now becomes negative dt. That is, if we interchange this, switch over our negative sign, we shall have negative dt. So we can place our negative sign outside here and put it to be dt, ordinary dt. So that is what we have. So don't forget, we can do a simple manipulation here, that is a negative integration of don't forget, if we have a plus b over c, this can be expressed as a over c plus b over c. So we can adopt the same concept here. We have 2 over t raised to the power 3 minus t over t raised to the power 3. Don't forget everything with respect to the t. So we can easily now sort everything out easily there. So don't forget, it's still the same thing as when we have negative outside, everything in the bracket, that is this with respect to the t, with respect to the t, the negative integral of t over t raised to the power 3, then the t. Don't forget, this minus belongs to the whole expression, so we can do that. Then let's have our simple indices method here. So we have 2 times t raised to the power minus 3, right? Of course. Then integral, don't forget, minus the same thing. If you reduce this, we reduce by 1, so we have 1 over t squared, and 1 over t squared is the same thing as what? T raised to the power minus 2, then dt, all in the same bracket. So we can now integrate term by term. If we integrate this term by term, don't forget, we can still write this to be t into t raised to the power minus 3 dt, okay, minus integral of t raised to the power minus 2. Okay, now let's integrate now fully. So we can now have this to be outside here. We have 2. If we integrate t raised to the power minus 3, it's going to be t raised to the power minus 3. Then we increase the power by 1. Whatever we have here shall be used as our numerator, which is minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so negative, this is same thing applicable here. T raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. Don't forget, the whole thing is expressed in brackets. So we could have t into minus 3 plus 1, that will give us -2. Don't forget, it's still in negative 2 here, then minus likewise what we have here, this one negative 1 over negative 1. So we have this plus c, though we are still going to use that c in our final answer, the constant of integration. So this can easily take care of this. This can easily take care of this. So we should have yeah, we have negative still in the whole bracket. We have negative t raised to the power minus 2. Okay, then plus, because of this negative sign, you take care of each other. You have t minus 1 all in brackets plus c. We can now re-express this as negative all in bracket minus 1 over t raised to the power 2 using our laws of indices, 1 over t all raised to the power 1 as well. So plus c, the constant term. So if we use negative sign to multiply through, we shall have 1 over t squared minus 1 over t raised to the power 1 plus c. And don't forget our t earlier is 2 minus x. So we substitute it back to be 2 minus x. So we have 1 over 2 minus x all raised to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2 minus x raised to the power 1 plus the constant term c. These are final answer. Thank you for watching. Please do make sure you share it.